Hello viewers, welcome to Sichinga Online Math. Before I answer this question, I would like to encourage all those who have not yet subscribed to the channel to do so and click the like button if you like the solutions that are going to be presented in this video. Going to the question, it reads, the diagram below shows a sketch of the graph of y equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8, cutting the x-axis at B and C. So the diagram below shows all that information. A, we want to find the coordinates of B and C. Then B, find the coordinates of the turning point of the graph. So starting with A, where we need to find the coordinates of B and C, here we are just going to work with the condition that in the x-axis, the value of y is simply equal to 0. So in the x-axis, y is equal to 0. So using the equation given, y equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8, we are going to equate that equal to 0 so that we find the x coordinates for the points B and C. So this will be written as x squared minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. And then to find the x coordinates, we are going to use factorization method, where first of all we get the product sum factor. So product, for product we get it from the multiplication of the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, times the constant 8. So 1 times 8 gives 8. Then for the sum, this is the coefficient of x, and that is negative 6. For factors, these are two numbers which multiply to give 8 and add to give negative 6. So these are just negative 2 and negative 4. So we are now going to express the sum, which is negative 6x, in terms of the two numbers we've gotten here, which is negative 2 and negative 4. So this will be written as x squared minus 2x minus 4x then plus 8 equal to 0. So we've expressed the sum, negative 6, in terms of the addition of the two numbers we got, which is negative 2 and negative 4. So this is in terms of x. We now group the terms. So grouping the terms, the first group will be x squared minus 2x. Then the second one will be negative 4x plus 8. Now we factor out what is common from each of the groups. So for the first one, x squared minus 2x, what is common is x. So factoring out x will leave us with the x minus 2 in brackets. Then in the next group, negative 4x plus 8, what is common there is negative 4. And if we divide negative 4 into negative 4x, leaves us with the positive x, then negative 4 into positive 8, that gives us negative 2. Then this is going to equal to 0. So we simplify 1 and then collect x squared minus 4 in one bracket, then we write x minus 2 in brackets equal to 0. So if we have this situation here where the two expressions are multiplying and they're equal to 0, then we can separate them to solve for x. So x minus 4 equal to 0, or x minus 2 equal to 0. So for the first equation, x minus 4 equal to 0, x is equal to 4 positive, or x minus 2 equal to 0, this gives x equal to 2. So these are the two values of x. In terms of coordinates, how are we going to assign these numbers we found, x equal to 4 or x equal to 2, to the coordinates here, B and C? So if you've seen, B is closer to the origin. So this simply means that B is going to have a lower value of x, which is 2. So for the point B, this will be 2, then comma, the value of y is 0 in the x-axis. So this is 2, 0 for B. Then for C, C is going to have a higher value of x. So this is going to be written as C 4, the value of y is 0 in the x-axis, so 4, 0. So this here is the solution to A, the coordinates of B and C. B has 2, 0, then C has 4, 0. Going to B, on B, the question is find the coordinates of the turning point of the graph. So for turning point, we are going to work with a formula. To get x, we'll say x is equal to negative b over 2a. Now, from what we've been given here, the equation of the graph is y equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8. So from there, the value of a is equal to 1, then b is equal to negative 6. We can also get the value of c. C is equal to 8, positive 8. So to get x, we simply do the following. X is equal to negative b, which is negative 6, we substitute, then over 2 times 1. Working out this, negative times negative gives positive, so 6 over 2 times 1 gives 2. So 2 into 6 gives 3. To find the value of y at the turning point, we are going to use the equation of the graph given, which is y equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8. So we just substitute the value of x into that equation to get the value of y at the turning point. So y is going to equal to, so 3 squared, then minus 6 times 3, then plus 8. So this is going to give us the following. 3 squared is 9, then minus 6 times 3, that is 18, then plus 8. So 9 minus 18 gives negative 9, then that negative 9 plus 8 will give us negative 1. So the value of y is negative 1 at the turning point. So the solution to this question would be that, so for B, continuation, the coordinates of the turning point are going to be as follows. So the value of x is 3, then the value of y is negative 1. So this here is the solution to B, the coordinates of the turning point. Thank you so much for watching this video.